So this time we're gonna talk about the Volvo, and this is a D5 engine 2.4 liter, which one got only 120 kilowatts on it, and probably this will kind of like an old common rail system. And the problem is with the turbo boost, with the limbo mode, and basically engine losing a power, and we had a fault. Look, the fault is usually probably everybody who's asking on the forums and stuff like that is reading what can be a problem. I got boost pressure control faulty flow. So that means the flow of the air is faulty, and you get the fault 6805. And in here, if we can Google it with the diagnostics, is very good. We read the code, we can Google it on, and when it drives into the Google, we're gonna see what it shows. As you can see, Google Volvo ECM-6805. There's a plenty of stuff what can be wrong. And here you go, the plenty of images what can be wrong. There is a boost pressure control valve, which one located just right behind this pipe. There it is, behind, you can see. So you can change that one. If that one not gonna help, you can change that one. If that not gonna help, the problem can be another fault, which one we already done, is the EGR valve. That's why, as you can see, there's a plenty of problems, but none of them find the way why it is. So actually, there was a problem with the EGR, and actually probably can be problem with the IRMS meter as well. But the most important thing what you have to carry on, the EGR valve. Look, the EGR valve is located another side. It's another side there, but it comes in right in here. So where is that pipe? Here you can see the Volvo aluminium pipe. This is the place where the EGR exhaust gases comes in. And when they comes in, as you can see there, what it goes, it's like a black chocolate, black stuff. But anyway, the problem is why that faulty flow is. That's because the EGR gives the exhaust back inside of the intake, and it builds up the incorrect pressure in here. So basically, let's start the car and see how it looks like. So car starts are fine. We have a bit of a paper, and we're gonna see how it exactly looks like. So we already put the intake pipe down, and as you can see here, we put this pin, and it's nothing coming in here, yes? So let's give a burst. Did you saw this? Look. And it's giving now. So that's the thing what gives you incorrect flow. And exactly, okay, stop the car. So as you saw, basically when it's normally working, there is nothing coming out there. When you give a burst, so basically when you need the power, the EGR is basically broken or stuck or something wrong with it, and it opens up or stays opens a little bit up and gives you the exactly exhaust gases which one's coming in and then give you the wrong boost. And that's why you get this fault. The fault says faulty flow. So the fault even means, it says then it's faulty. It means that it is not correctly all the time. And when you give the actual values, you can see the diagram, how the diagram is changing incorrectly. And it's sometimes giving a little bit more boost, overboost, and sometimes giving less. So it's not like all the time overboost or not enough boost. So it's incorrect flow boost. And that's what gives the EGR valve when it's incorrect working. So what you need to do for the test, put the plate on and lock it down. Simple as that. Or you can weld it on and something like that. But don't forget, what you need to do is reprogram the ECU, the electronic control unit. We actually does it. Here you can see this electronic control unit, which one is EDC15C11 model. And this ECU stays in here for the old ones, engines, and a little bit newer one, which one got the EDC16. And EDC16 electronic control unit stays in here, a little bit over there, and it's covered in the plate, plastic one. But anyway, it doesn't matter. As long as that one or that one, this is a mechanic EGR. It's not the electronic one. This is fully mechanical, controlled by the airflow, by the vacuum. And yes, we're gonna test it out, put the plate in, and see what we're gonna got. So the conclusion of our Volvo problem with the EGR valve, with the engine mount stuff as well, probably can be there is no faults. We have full boost and we have a full power on the full boost. Look, it's giving 2000 perfectly hexapascal, which means there's a 2 bar or 2 atmosphere. So let's give it a try again on the gears 3, and we can do it again. Just let me a little bit break it down and pop it in, and as you can see, the measurement is just right, correct, so a little bit above that 2000 RPM, which means just perfect boost pressure. And in this point, I would say, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if that video was helpful, but click it even if it's not, and I think see you in the next video. Bye.